Hey guys, welcome back. I'll show you how to, in this video, I'll show you how to make one of these types of engines. First, you need a drill, a manual light torch, like, let's say, I'll go and get the one I use to show you how I do it. So, I'll go and get that. 3, 2, 1. This is the torch I use. All you do is just turn this knob. Then once it gets to a certain pressure, you can just hit that, which ignites it. Then you can turn to any pressure, but a low enough pressure will just turn it off. I don't mind that. And I just have it to where it just sticks like that. I let it get propane in there. Then I sort of angle it off like that. Not really, it's kind of hard. I'll try and figure something out. Okay, I couldn't figure anything out, but I'll basically just show you what I mean. I do this, then I sort of angle it like this, then I hit the ignite button, then it'll mainly sort of, but you want to keep this, keep it in there, because it'll blow pressure out this and blow pressure out that. So you kind of have to be aware of that. Because what I did is I pretty much just made it homemade. All you need is a drill, a manual light, propane torch, at least a 2-liter bottle, a drill, and a drill bit that is a teeny bit bigger and can just fit here. Yeah, that's pretty much all you need. Drill, you need a smaller drill hole than this. So but if there's too much pressure, it'll end up looking like this, because the heat will make this happen, So, yeah, yeah, peace out, and see you next time in the next episode. I'll try and have it to where comment section is enabled. I don't know why, it makes me mad. And I also cut my pinky trying to put the drill bit on today. My dad and my brother were doing something with someone. Yeah, I'll see you guys next time on part 3. So I will do like a how-to tomorrow on this. So you guys can make one at home and probably try it. If you fail, just send the video, email it. I'll link my email down below. And yeah, peace out. Bye.